Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to make pancakes. And we're going to be making them in a plastic bottle. If you can, try to find one with a nice big opening. We're going to start by filling up a cup with self-raising flour, and we need to use a funnel to put it inside the bottle. If you haven't got a funnel, you can cut the top off another bottle to use, or you can take a clean sheet of paper, roll it into a funnel shape like this, and use that instead. Slowly pour in the flour and filter it down into the bottle. Next, we need to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, two tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to break in 1 large egg, and finally we need a cup of milk, the same size as the flour. I'm going to pour this into a jug so it's easy to pour into the bottle. When you're done, screw the top back on and give it a good shake. Make sure it's all nicely mixed and it's ready to use. I melted some butter in a pan first, then poured in some mixture. If your mixture is too runny, just add some more flour, or if you prefer thinner pancakes like crepes, add a touch more milk, and don't add the baking powder. Let your pancakes cook until they're nice and golden. Then they're ready to serve. I like mine with maple syrup. To make another one, just give the bottle a shake again, and it's ready to go. And when you've had enough, you can just put the top back on the bottle and store the mixture in the fridge to use another time. Pretty cool, huh?